another ticket.
My lovely girlfriend, Kelly. Technically, she's the best thing that's ever happened to me.
And all you care about is you!
Ridiculous! I'm gonna go hang out with my friends.
What's your name?
Gary, who are you?
Wrenn.
Missing a tooth. You get in a fight?
No, the tooth fairy got it and she gave me $1.
That's a pretty name. Reina.
Thanks. In Spanish it means queen.
Does it?
You're pretty handsome. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah. I miss her.
Be nice to your girlfriend. I'll go play now.
Loneliness, it's just a guess.
I'm gonna fucking wear a seatbelt. Not in a goddamn child seat. What, Kelly? What? It's just a seatbelt ticket. I guess if I can't reach her, I could always hit her with this. Smack my bitch up.
From distant sound, her vision came. Taught us how to tame our jealous love, reminding us that this is trust.
Sorry to interrupt tea time.
Well, you're such a pussy. When do you drink? I bet not till 5 o'clock.
Actually, Dad, I already had one.
What could possibly be wrong with you and Kelly? I mean,
Well, she's a woman,
true what?
but sometimes I just want to kill her.
Okay. Hey,
That's no big deal. I want to kill your mother
Oh.
2-3 times a day.
ignore your
But I
friend,
don't do it.
okay? Ignore him, ignore him.
Give me a break. Junior? Hey,
No.
snap out of it.
You've got to get out of this negativity. That you have to put things in perspective. And there's going to be a lot of good things, and sometimes things won't be perfect or as you wish them to be, but the overall picture will be good.
Shit!
You know, I could have died tonight. That bowling ball from hell had my name on it. Literally. I guess life isn't that bad after all. Sure, it may be a while before I ride in a car again, but at least I think I learned my lesson. Interconnectedness. Love.
Can we go to Blockbuster and rent a movie?
Yes, babe, we can do that.
But I don't want any of those stupid, student, cheesy, self-directed movies.
No. Hollywood all the way, baby.